the same methodology that we are using the Sesa Academy, adapted to this first part of the formation of the kid that goes from 6 years old to 14 years old, trying to bring these basic and more important fundamentals that the kid need to develop during this phase. And who knows if in the future they can become players in our academy, and if not, they will have a very good formation, special formation for this.
Our outreach program beyond the residential academies that we have in Thivim and Sanguem, which under the brand name of Sesa Football Academy. The need essentially happened because we realized that we could offer only limited spots for the residential academy to the GOAN players, but beyond that there were so many other players, young players who wanted and needed that bit of professional coaching. So we are taking these outreach programs in form of Vedanta football schools.
Looking after 5 centers at the moment: Thivim, Sanguem, third one, Nuvem. Then we'll proceed to Majorda. We're looking forward to some of the 5 centers which is in mind at the moment. But we have succeeded in 3 schools. This Nuvem area is a land which has supplied plenty of footballers for various clubs in Goa. Not only for Goa, for the country. They are also playing, some of them also playing in ISL. It's a great thing. They all came from their natural own abilities, and then they got further training when they went to the clubs. But now when you get the young kids here, and with Mr. Eduard from Barcelona, with his program, I think they'll be full-fledged by the boy at the age of 14. The boy will be, I think, will learn a lot of things and will be perfect enough to join the academy in cycling.